Hello, everybody, and welcome to this beautiful day. At least it is here in Noel, Missouri. It's lots of wind. How is the weather with you, where you are in this world? We're going to go over how to use our energy more effectively. Many people are just imagining everything worst case scenario, and that's not what we want to do. We want to use our imaginary our energy to imagine all the things that can go right instead of feeding the fear in us and everything that can go wrong. We want to imagine the best case scenario to any given moment or situation. What is it that you are wanting to manifest? Are you having a hard time visualizing it? You want to work on this and take time out of your day, even if it's in the bathroom, whatever, in the shower or something, but imagine the best cases. Imagine those checks coming to you. Imagine yourself going to the bank, cashing your checks and counting out all those thousands of dollars that you want to manifest. Imagine your bank account receiving money out of nowhere. You don't know where it came from, or it's from a long lost settlement or something else that's come into your life that you've totally forgotten about. Imagine your kids excelling and your husband or wife making, strides in their own life. What would it feel like to receive your crush? Many of you want a boyfriend, a girlfriend, or something. What if they showed up in your life today? What would you do? Would you go out to eat? Would you go on a picnic? Would you drive around in your car and just look at the scenery? Would you watch a movie and eat popcorn? These are things to think about because what you're doing is imagining the best, and you're saying to the universe through your energy and your imagination that you want more of this, more to be grateful for, more to live your life abundantly and feel that you have no limits, because really you don't. We limit ourselves by imagining the worst case scenarios. What if this doesn't work? What if that doesn't work? How about imagining you going for your dream car? You're going to the car lot. You're signing the papers. You're driving off in your dream car. What about your dream house? You're going to the realtor's office. You're signing the papers. And better yet, all the closing costs are paid for by the other person. Best case scenarios. What about a raise in your job that you presently have? Maybe you love your job, but you're not making enough money. Visualize getting a raise. Thousands of dollars a year. The sky's the limit. Really, your brain is the limit, what you think is your limits. So expand your horizons. Think of the best case scenario. What if somebody brought your groceries today? Wouldn't you be grateful? Wouldn't it be fun to receive something that you didn't even expect? Think on these things. We each have the ability to make the choice on how we invest our mental and emotional energies. So we want to make sure that when we feel a negative thought coming or something, we turn it around and think 3 positive ones and go farther than that. Just go around being grateful all day, thinking about the best things that can come. What could show up on your doorstep? What could show up in your life, in your mailbox? Who could come over and maybe invite you to go shopping with them? And while you're shopping with them, go ahead and go, because you might meet your dream mate, your husband, your future husband, wife, boyfriend, or girlfriend. These are all best case scenarios. So we want to get cheerful about them. Anything can happen. We live in a magical universe, and God is so awesome to open doors for us and teach us what we need to know. We have the choice to imagine the best case scenarios for ourselves and other people. So visualize greatness. Greatness for you, greatness for your husband, wife, greatness for the world. Everybody can do this, but not everybody will. People are stuck and programmed, as we all were, to think negatively. We are programmed like that since we were children. People will say to us, we can't do this or we can't do that because our family life is not up to par or whatever. But that's not true. We each individually can pick and choose what we want to think about, what we want to achieve, and what we want to imagine. So I invite you to use your visualizations for your energy to imagine total greatness. What would it be like if you achieved all your dreams? And maybe you're making $1 million a year. Maybe you want to make more. What you think is where you're at. So change it up. Imagine like we did when we were kids. Just throw it out there in the universe. What do you want to become? What do you want to do? What kind of value can you add to this world, to your family and people around you? The more valuable we become, the more that we learn, we can put it out into the universe and help other people achieve what they want to achieve. And it will come back to us. Maybe not from the people we help, but it has to come back to us in some way, shape, or form. That's the law of the universe. That's the law of attraction. So keep keeping on. Raise your vibration. Think of something great you want to achieve. And I will leave you with that. God bless you all. Love and light. And I appreciate each one of you. Bye for now.